Meet Jemima, an anatomist, leader, researcher, and networker who is passionate about influencing positive change. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a recent insightful video. After morning prayers, as usual, I had to immediately start cooking rice so that it will be cooked before 8 a.m. You would ask, where's the stew? The stew was actually in the fridge, so I just get to heat it up in the morning. I had to get the clothes I would wear to work. I like getting in my stuff in my bag before going to have my bath. Nurse's child. My mom bought me a packet of gloves and face masks, so I just get to take a pair of gloves and one face mask every day to work. You want to just see me bathing? Move your eyes, Joe. Girl is all set for work already, just putting on a very light makeup. Yeah, girl is ready. I was forgetting my ID card. Those security men would have used me to shine today. You guys, my house to the office is like a 20 minutes walk, and though I'm already close, I'm getting close, so walking, and sometimes I even have to cross to another campus. It's either I walk or I use the school cab, so that's it. So you guys, that's how I walk to work every morning. So come with me. I got to the office. I'm actually walking through the front door. Don't be scared, I'm not going to show you cadaver. And I settled in my office, but we'll be stepping out very soon. You guys, I'm already in the second campus, and I just came here for a quick revision with MBBS class. So you guys will still be following me with the journey. This is a disclaimer, you'll be hearing you guys. I'm kind of used to it. Good day, mom. I'm kind of used to it, so please just get used to it. Let's go.
This screen now is made up of a capsule. Evaluating the capsule, you have triangle. You've gotten that part, right?
Yes.
Now, I said something that is made up of what stroma and what parenchyma. Now, that's white. The parenchyma is divided into what? The red pulp and white pulp. The white pulp. Do you get it? You have more of red pulp in that space than you have white pulp. You get it? So, percentage-wise, because you're talking about histology, you need to come up with figures. It's around 76 to 79%. That's that red pulp. Do you get it? Yes. Now the white pulp is now 25%. I begin to wonder, like, why is it 25% when there are so many things in that white pulp than the red pulp? Okay, so let's go. First of all, you know the function of the spleen. Yes. Do you know the function of the spleen? Yes. As that organ it has some kind of function that's fighting. It filters blood, right? Yes. Can somebody tell me another one? Immunity. Immune response. Yes. It does what? I can't hear you. Okay, destruction of red blood cells. Old red blood cells. Thank you very much. Old red blood cells, not just red blood cells. Can somebody tell me another one? There's one like that. Thank you. Additional storage of blood. Do you get it? So it's like an additional storage of blood. So let's come back to white pulp. Now that white pulp, it has what do you call it? It has lymphoid nodules or follicles. Sometimes we will tell you follicles, but sometimes we tell you nodules. Do you get it? The last zone is now the marginal zone that separates the red pulp from the white pulp. And that marginal zone contains T lymphocyte, B lymphocyte, and also antigens, blood antigens. And this is why you will now know that the white pulp is involved in immune response. You get? So they can ask you what particular part of the spleen is involved in what? Immune response. And that part is what?
White pulp.
White pulp. Thank you very much. So who will now be in charge of filtering drugs? Thank you very much. As simple as that. If you do not remember, just know that there's another question I want to ask you. Germinal center, I said, what is he bringing out? What is he proliferating? Thank you very much. In spleen, if you don't see germinal center in spleen, where can you also find germinal center? Lymph nodes, tonsil, you can see there's just additional function. Back to my own. Okay. You know the function of zona pensila.
Yes.
You know when you remove it, it makes trophoblasm sticky to go and implant in the uterus. That's for biology. But for histology, just know the cell changes. You can also know differences between spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Can be a question. I think I have time to talk about it. So thank you very much.
Thank you. I was asked to go to the secretary's office to drop the stuff. It's been hectic throughout today, from one class to I've not even eaten. I don't think I'll go back to my office today.
I don't think so. I'm really surprised.
So for today, I've not been able to go back to my office for the past how many hours. But let me get to where I can eat food because the food I brought is already cold. I'll just try to get what to eat. So guys, I forgot to submit my clearance paper, so I'm heading there. I'm submitting my clearance. Good day, sir. Fine, thank you, sir. So you guys, we're going to 4th floor to submit my paper. You're fucking girl. Today I believe it's stressful. I think we're getting there already. Good day, sir. Fine, thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Oof, I'm looking really stressed out, like today. So we normally have gross dissection today because today is Wednesday. I'm actually filming on Wednesday. We usually have gross practical from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. And I don't want to advise viewers discretion before showing you the video. So I had to stop filming. And instead, I'll take you to the histology tour. We'll take you around the histology lab. So guys, you're still joining me in the journey, right? I hope you're not getting tired already. So this is histology lab. So this is how the histology lab looks like. So the students learn from this projector, and that's it. And that's it. That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know the whole YouTube outro stuff. And see who I'm working with. subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Ciao.